Thursday, October the 15th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East back with you for today. Let's start off with a couple of web cameras from across the state. There's the Avalon Pier web camera cutting this video during the 5 o'clock hour. Still dark out there. Temperature there at Kill Devil Hill sitting at 63 degrees. And here's a peek at the Fury 325 camera from our friends over at Carowinds. And it's kind of a cool start to the day across many spots in the Carolinas. 48 there near Carowinds early this morning, but it's going to be a beautiful day. Now, we do have some chilly weather coming our way over the next, say, 4 to 5 days. I'll detail that for you here as we get deeper into the video. A couple of great fall photos to share with you. This from Bill from the Lake Brant area in Greensboro. Fantastic weather shot there. And here's a photo snapped and sent to us from Roan Highlands from Rick Morris. Look at that. Love those fall color photos. The fall foliage at its peak at the elevations above about 3,000 feet in elevation up there in the mountains. So if you want to see that higher elevation fall color at its peak, now's the time. And with a beautiful blue sky overhead, if you happen to have the chance to head up that way today, it'd be a great day to do it with the colors really kind of popping under that blue sunny sky. Again, the higher spots seeing the peak of the fall color season as we speak. And we want to continue to see your great fall photos. Thank you to each and every one of you that has submitted them to us, but you can email them in to us at ncweather@twcnews.com. Make sure you include your name and your location. Yesterday, a lot of 70s for highs all across the region. Mountains cooler, a little bit warmer in Wilmington at 80. Here's your triad highs in the 70s. The Charlotte viewing area also in the 70s for highs yesterday. 5 o'clock temperatures this morning, actually 5:30 now. 49 in Charlotte, 48 in Raleigh. A lot of the Triad viewing area down to the 40s, although it's 50 at the PTI Airport. Columbia 51, 41 up in Boone. Fantastic weather setup for today. Out ahead of our next cold front. And that front is the leading edge to substantially chillier air that's back here in the Plain States. That'll get here over the weekend, but today we're in great shape. 70s for highs out there. Beautiful stuff. Now, this next cold front will move through tomorrow, and as it moves through, a deck of some cloud cover, maybe a sprinkle or two, but I think for the majority of us, just some clouds overhead. Still fairly mild tomorrow. There's your highs in the 70s, still in most spots tomorrow afternoon, some 80s down into South Carolina. Now, for the first time in a while, we're going to have a sunny weekend, but it will be much, much cooler. You notice even some snow showers showing up here in parts of the northeastern part of the country this weekend. Your Saturday highs in the 60s for many of us. And by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, I think a lot of us may fail to make it out of the upper 50s across the North Carolina mountains, foothills, and Piedmont zone. So it is going to be a much cooler weekend. Now let's shift gears and talk about low temperatures. Here's your Monday morning lows. And we're talking temperatures Tuesday morning just as chilly, if not even a degree or two chillier in some spots. There's your Tuesday morning lows. That's good enough for a frost, and for some of the colder spots, probably good enough for the first light freeze of the season. Either Monday morning or Tuesday morning, maybe both, early next week. Tropics still very quiet now. The Gulf, Caribbean, Atlantic Ocean, no sign of trouble. Typically, the deeper you get into the month of October, the less and less tropical activity you see. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great day, and God bless.